Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 7. Today we are going to continue with our chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. In the previous classes we have completed until question number 6 of your exercise 2.2. Now we are going to start with question number 7 and 8 we will complete in this video of exercise 2.2, and from with this video our 2.2 exercise will be completely done. So here please focus what they are saying in question number 7. They are saying find 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. First of all we will solve first part 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 is 1 by 2 of means multiply, 2 3 by 4 is convert 2 3 by 4 into mixed improper fraction. So 1 by 2 into 4 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4. So 1 into 11 is 11, 2 into 4 is 8. So this is your answer in improper fraction, but you have to convert it into mixed fraction because they are saying you have to convert into mixed fraction. So 8 ones are 8. After that 3 upon 8 is the answer. Now come to this side. 1 upon 2 of 4 2 by 9. What they are saying, 1 upon 2 of means multiply, 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38 upon 9. Now 1 into 38 is 38, 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, now it can be converted into lowest term by when we divide into 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 19 upon 9. Now when we convert this into mixed fraction, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 1 upon 9 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer and this is the answer. Now second part is 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of means multiply, 3 5 by 6 is 6 3s are 18 plus 5 is 23 upon 6. Okay. So 5 into 23 is 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 8 6 are 48. Now it can be converted into mixed fraction. How? 48. Now 48 ones are 48, 48 2s are 76, 48 3s are 120, 120 130 will come now. So we will take 48 2s are 70. Oh sorry, 96, not 76. Okay, 96. So 15 minus 6 will be equal to 9, and 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so your answer will be 19 upon 48. Okay, this is your answer of B part. And 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3 is 5 by 8 of means multiply, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is 29 upon 3. So 5 into 29 is 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is 145, and 8 3s are 24. Now again divide this into 145 divided by 24, 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, and 24 3s are 72. Okay, and whatever, then again multiply with that. 24 6 4s are 24, 24 6 are 144. So your answer will be 6 1 upon 24 is the answer. Clear? Is it visible? See, 6 1 upon 24 is the answer. So note down, this is your question number 7. Now we are going to start question number 8. I hope it is clear to you all. Read question number 8 from your book. What they are saying, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. There are two friends, Vidya and Pratap, brother sister we can say. Their mother gave them the water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. one water bottle is there, and in that water bottle 5 liters of water is there. Okay, one bottle in which how much water is present? Water present in one bottle is equal to 5 liters. Okay, now after that they are saying Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water, Pratap consumed remaining water. Vidya consumed, Vidya drinks, you can say, how much water? 2/5 of water present in bottle. Okay, the total water we can see. Total water present in bottle. How much was that? 2/5 of total water was 5 liters. So what you will do? 2/5 of means multiply in 5. 5 cancelled. What we are left? We are left with 2 liters. Okay, that means so out of 5 liters, 2 liters are drink by Vidya. Then how much water is drink by her brother? What is the name of the brother? Pratap. So Pratap drinks remaining water. Remaining means total minus water drink by Vidya. Okay, remaining means total minus water drink by Vidya. So how much is consumed by Vidya? Total is 5 liters minus 2 liters. 5 minus 2 is 3 liters drink by Pratap. Now what they are saying, how much water did Vidya drink? Vidya drinks 2 liters. First part answer is this. And Pratap drinks, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now what fraction? If we need to find the fraction, then see, whenever you need to find a fraction, definition of fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Okay, so whole means 1. Whole means 1. Okay, so we have to subtract any of the fraction from 1. That means 2/5 we have to subtract 2/5 from 1. Vidya consumed 2/5 out of total. Total means we will take fraction, the full fraction as 1. Okay, so we will subtract, to find the fraction of Pratap, we will subtract 2/5 from 1, because fraction is a part of whole. So you will find like this, 5 minus 2 upon 5. When you take the LCM na, like this, so 3/5 is the fraction of Pratap drinks water. Pratap drinks 3/5 of total water. Okay, clear? This is the answer. I hope it is clear to you all. With this question number 8 we have complete our exercise 2.2. Now in next video I will explain you the 2.3 exercise of question number 1, 2 and 3.